Hi, today we're in South Quay, which is pretty much the heart of Canary Wharf in East London. We're at a property where the owners have just purchased the property and have asked us to just freshen it up so it has a bit of their look, their character to the ceiling and walls, which probably did need a coat of paint anyway after the picture fixings and such like get taken down by the previous owners. So we've painted ceiling, coving and walls to all rooms. Property prices have taken a decline both in rentals and sales over the period of the COVID virus, and we're probably taking a slight dip maybe before that, but obviously the lockdowns and people work from home has meant that prices are obviously drifted lower or have drifted lower, both rental and for purchasing in these areas recently, and obviously could well be a good opportunity to buy, as these customers of ours have decided to do. So I'll just give you a quick tour. If this is the type of work that you need doing, or any larger or smaller work, obviously please call us. My number is 07932 764 372, and we are info@morganritchie.co.uk. So this decorating work or any other electrical, plumbing or full refurbishments or part refurbishments, please contact us. So just to swing round and show you the work that we've actually completed. So from the hallway, ceiling, walls and woodwork, and the bedroom with ensuite, again the ceiling, walls and woodwork, and we've also painted the inside of the shower room or ensuite to the ceiling and walls. Back to the hallway, again very similar to the bathroom, where the decorating done to those areas as noted. Also to freshen up again in the other bedroom. And then finally the main reception. Anything left to do is to install the TV as requested to the far wall and repair those marks and touch over the areas. And then finally to the kitchen, again ceiling and walls have been redecorated. As mentioned, please contact us at any time on that number or email address given, and we can give you a free estimate and advice if required. Thank you.